Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to debug an LED display using the Colorlight Universe Series video splicing processor's webpage. First, click Add to create a new screen group. Name it LED and select LED as the screen type. Enter your display's actual width, height, and output color depth. Then click Confirm. When you open the LED splicing setup for the first time, a guided wizard will appear. Just follow the prompts and click Next to proceed. Next, choose your output board and select Ethernet port. Adjust the receiving card's load to match your network load. Add a receiving card and configure its connections according to your mapping. The port indicator will show the current cable load. Continue building out the mapping if you have many cables with the same capacity. Simply use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste mapping quickly. You'll also find a set of helper tools on the left to speed up mapping creation. Click Real-Time Connection to see live changes of your mapping on the screen. Once your mapping is finished, click Save to Device button. Once it's saved, your LED screen will display correctly. If you need to upload parameters to the receiving card, click Parameter Library in the top right corner. Then upload and select your file. After the upload completes, click Send, and finally, click Save. To finish, go to Screen Operation part, drag your signal source into the LED group area, and click Maximize. The screen displays properly, and the screen is set up on the web. Thanks for watching.